Sponsored by AC Designs.
Well, it has been a busy weather day across the First Coast. It started out very gloomy, lots of cloud cover, which actually was a great thing because it helped limit some of those severe storms that we were anticipating for today. But as you can see across the nation, the majority of the heavy precipitation lies, yes, right across the First Coast as this low pressure system is now pushing across our area. Some of those heavier storms as of right now, right along I-75, you can see some of those lightning strikes as well. This is all lifting towards the northeast. It's not going to last too long. We're thinking by about 9 to 10 p.m. some of those severe storms will be pushing out of our area, but still definitely a day to stay weather aware here as we are in the slight category for severe weather, which means tornadoes not out of the question. So again, need to keep an eye on the sky for this evening. Best timing from this was about from 2 p.m. is when it started all the way again through about 9 to 10 o'clock here. The heaviest storms just south of I-10, gusting winds, heavy rainfall, which I'm sure you all have ran into for today. And again, isolated tornado risk is not out of the question. Some of the heaviest rainfall is going to be towards our northern counties, which is pretty typical, where Charlton, Brantley, and Pierce, you're looking to get anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of rainfall, heavy rain again in those areas. St. John's and Flagler, you're not going to get quite as much, only about a half an inch of rain, but because of the warmer temperatures in that area, if we do see anything spike into something severe, it's likely going to be in this area. So just keep that in mind, but it isn't going to last very long. But let me tell you, on the back end of these storms, these winds are going to be very gusty for us. Gale force winds up to 40 to 50 miles per hour. That's late tonight and heading towards tomorrow before things slowly die off. It is going to be coming out of the west, so just keep that in mind. But as of right now, we kind of have winds coming from every which direction. We did see from the National Weather Service reports up to 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts. So even though these are the sustained winds, not too bad as of right now, it's those wind gusts that are the big factor. Okay, so temperature wise for today, not terrible. We did reach into the upper 60s and low 70s, so it felt pretty good out there, but you could kind of feel that humidity, that moisture in the air, just an indication that yes, we did have some storms on the way here. The next 12 hours still sticking with all of the cloudy skies. We're going to see that precipitation lighten up the further into the night we go. Heading towards tomorrow morning, the showers should be behind us, but what's going to be the big factor is, again, the winds out of the west. 30 to 40 mile per hour winds is what we're looking at. But again, that's not going to last too long as well. High pressure will finally set back into the area. And yes, we're going to see the sunshine return really all week long. So with the drier air in the forecast, look at that. We go from 95% chance of rain from today, 10% mainly towards tomorrow morning, and then it just keeps on dropping for us. So that is why those temperatures are going to be reaching back into the 80s. So if you're a fan of the warmer temperatures, just wait a few days, okay? All right, so we're taking a look at Futurecast. This is now by 8 p.m. We're still seeing some rainfall here, but you can see some of the red, the yellow, mainly closer towards I-75, and it will be lifting out of our area here. So that is what we're looking at. Again, not going to last too much longer, but if you haven't done so already, download that First Coast News app. It's a quick, easy download. It's a free download, and I will keep you updated all night long. But again, gusting winds for tomorrow, then the sunshine returns, and then we go back to the 80s.